proceed to the question 4. Question 4, assuming that x minus 2 is a factor of 2x cubed plus ax squared minus 5x plus 6, they ask us to find a. Hence, by using the value of a that we obtained, solve the question 2x cubed plus ax squared minus 5x plus 6. So here we have to extract the information that they provide to us. They say x minus 2 is a factor of the equation that we have here. Okay, when they say x minus 2 is a factor, so by right, x is equal to 2. You let this guy equal to 0. So by right, you will get x is equal to 2. So this x is equal to 2 is actually a value. Okay, when we substitute inside the function, we will get equal to 0. Okay, the remainder is equal to 0. So right now, the function that we have is fx. Okay, so let me write it like this so that it will be clearer. So we have fx is equal to 2x cubed plus ax squared minus 5x plus with 6. So we have information which is f2 is equal to 0. Now what you have to do is substitute inside. Okay, substitute inside, you will get here, substitute one by one, 2 multiply with 2 cube plus with ax square is 2 square minus with 5 square here, okay, plus with 6 is equal to 0. So 2 multiply with 2 cube is equal to 16 plus with 4a minus with 10 plus with 6, you're going to get equal to 0. And then here you calculate, you're going to get you're going to get 16 minus 10 plus with 6, you're going to get equal to 12. So 4a plus with 12 equal to 0. You move 12 to that side, you're going to get negative 12. So a is equal to negative 12 divided by 4, which is a, you will get is equal to negative 3. So right now your a is equal to negative 3. Then we substitute again inside our fx here. So by right, our fx you will get is equal to 2x cubed plus ax squared. A you replace become negative 3 x squared minus 5x plus with 6. Now they ask us in the question using the value that you find, the value of a. So solve the equation of fx just now. Okay, so here we already got one factor which is x minus 2, right? So we have x minus 2. So what we're going to do is we will use long division here. Okay, so 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus with 5x plus 6. You divide with x minus 2. Now I will remove this part here so that it become more clean. Okay, now we will proceed using long division. Yeah. Okay, so remember, the first step to do long division is to see if the first term here, we have x, right? So what is the value when we multiply with x? You're gonna get equal to 2x cubed. Okay, you will get 2x squared. So you put on top 2x squared. Okay, after that, we will do multiplication. We multiply terms by term. 2x squared multiplied by x, you're gonna get equal to 2x cubed. 2x squared multiplied by negative 2, you're going to get negative 4x squared. So you put bracket, put minus here. And then you're going to get 2x cubed minus with 2x cubed equal to 0. Then negative 3 minus with negative 3x squared minus with negative 4. You're going to get x squared. Then you bring down 5x. So after you bring down 5x, then we do another one, which is We check the first term here, x. What is the value when we multiply with x? You're gonna get equal to x squared, which is you're supposed to get x. So now you put on top x. We proceed with the division again. So x multiplied by x, you get x squared. X multiplied by negative 2, we will get negative 2x. Okay, you close bracket, minus. You will get, okay, equal to x squared minus x squared, 0. Negative 5x minus with negative 2x, you're going to get negative 3x. Then you bring down 6, you will get plus 6 here. Now we proceed again, another one, where we check what is the value when we multiply with x here. You're going to get negative 3x. It is negative 3. So you get negative 3, you put on top negative 3, then we proceed with the multiplication of each of the terms. So now negative 3 multiply with x, you're going to get negative 3x. Negative 3 multiply with negative 2, you're going to get positive 6. So here, put bracket, minus. So it's the same thing. So the remainder is equal to 0. So by right here, this is your quotient, no? So you have the factor x minus 2 is and then 2x squared plus x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we want to find the, because we want to solve, right? When we want to solve by right, we have to find the value of x lah. So here for 2x squared plus x minus 3, you find the, do factorization. So when you do factorization, you will get x minus 1 here. This one 2x plus with 3 equal to 0. So from this guy, you can actually separate like this for you to see. If you don't want this one to do this one also can, it's up to you. Here you will get x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1, x is equal to negative 3 over 2. So this is all your roots. So the roots for the roots are x is equal to negative 3 over 2, 1 and 2. Like that. That's it for question number 4. So we will proceed with question number 5. Almost similar also the question. They ask us here, when a square, ax square plus bx minus 4 is divided by x plus 1 and x minus 1, the remainder are 3 and 1 respectively. Okay, determine the value of a and b and then find the remainder when ax square plus bx minus 4 is divided by x minus 2. So when they say this function is divided by x plus 1 and x minus 1, they say for x plus 1, the remainder is 3. X minus 1, the remainder is 1. So by right, when we have x plus 1, it is a factor for a function, right? So we have x is equal to 1. This guy, when we substitute into the function, you will get equal to, oh sorry, it's not 1, it's negative 1. So when you substitute negative 1 inside this, the remainder is equal to 3. Okay, and then when we substitute x minus 1, actually x is equal to 1. The roots are x is equal to 1, and then when we substitute inside the function, you will get the remainder which is equal to 1. So we have these two information right now. Okay, so what you have to do is just substitute this into your function, which is ax squared plus bx minus 4. So you substitute f negative 1 equal to 3, f negative 1. So by right, you substitute negative 1 inside x. So ax squared, which is negative 1 squared, plus with b multiply with negative 1 minus with 4 equal with 3. Then here you will get a minus b minus 4 equal to 3. Okay, or to make it easier for you, a minus b is equal to, you bring 4 to that side, 3 plus 4, you will get 7. So a minus b is 7. Okay, and then another one, we have f1 equal to 1. So you substitute A multiply with 1 square plus with B multiply with 1 minus 4 equal to 3. Sorry, equal to 1. Okay, and then here you will get A plus with B minus with 4 equal to 1. So you move negative 4 to that side. A plus B equal to 1 plus 4. So here A plus B equal to 5. So here you have two equation, which is A minus B equal to 7. And then another one is A plus B equal to 5. So now we're going to solve simultaneously. So maybe we let question 1. Okay, so we take question 1. A minus B becomes 7. B you move to that side, you're going to get 7 minus with B. So can. Okay, I think like this lah. Instead of use this one, we make it easier by I think we can plus equation 1 and equation 2. So 1 plus with 2. We plus 1 with 2. So here you put plus, right? And then you will get to A negative B plus with B. You're gonna get 0 equal to 7 plus 5. You're gonna get equal to 12. So A is equal to 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So this is your A. Then you substitute A into any equation, or maybe A into question 1. So A minus B is equal to 7, right? From 1. So A you have 6, and then minus with B equal to 7. So negative B will become 7 minus with 6. Okay. And then you're going to get 1. So negative B is 1. So B is equal to negative 1. So from this you get A is equal to 6 and B is equal to negative 1. So now the question is that they say, okay, when we have A and B like this, so what you can do is you can substitute again inside your, you can substitute again inside your function that you have, which is your function originally is A x squared plus bx minus 4. So you actually will get fx is equal to A 6x squared minus x minus 4. So the question, another question is that find the remainder when ax squared plus bx minus 4 is divided by x minus 2. When it is divided by x minus 2, by right, when we the root is actually x is equal to 2, right? So we have to find what is f2. So you substitute f2 inside. So you will get 6 multiplied by 2 square minus with 2 minus with 4. The total answer you will get is equal to 18. So this is your final answer. Okay, so that's it for question 5. Okay, so now what you have to do is attempt question 6 and then submit all of your answer that I asked you to attempt for question 1 until the last one through the form that I provide to you. And then remember that your submission will be counted as your attendance. Okay, alright, thank you.